Agriculture is one of the major sources of income in California. This state produces a significant amount of the crops consumed across the United States, such as almonds, lettuce, and grapes. Therefore, agriculture plays a crucial role in both local markets and the wider economy. However, the current state of water in California threatens this reality. California's water supplies are concentrated in the north, while the demand is concentrated in the south, particularly in the San Joaquin Valley. High agricultural demands, combined with other factors, have led to significant groundwater decline and pollution of aquifers throughout the Central Valley. Climate change compounds these issues. Changing precipitation patterns and extreme heat events have made California's water sources less reliable over the years. Extreme weather events are becoming the norm. Reduced snowpacks, floods, and droughts are now yearly occurrences. These changes in temperature and water availability also impact soil nutrients and agricultural production, making crops more vulnerable to pests and diseases. For over 100 years, farmers in the valley have pumped groundwater when surface water supplies were insufficient to meet their irrigation needs. But these activities had left most of the valley's aquifer depleted. In 2014, new regulations were passed to promote further unsustainable groundwater pumping. This means that as surface water becomes less reliable, access to groundwater is also being limited. With projected loss of water supplies, up to 900,000 acres of farmland may be fouled, resulting in 50,000 jobs lost, and declines in regional economy activity by 2.3% within the next 2 decades. This is one of the greatest challenges California has ever faced. So what can we do about this? COEQWAL is a comprehensive project founded by the University of California's Climate Initiative. It brings together researchers, practitioners, and the public to explore multi-benefit scenarios for water allocation in California. Within the context of COEQWAL's Water Academy, the following insights and information were generously shared by Andrew Shawards, State Water Project Climate Action Manager at the Department of Water Resources, and Reggie Walters, a hydrologist at the San Francisco Public Utilities Commission, with the intention of helping students and the general public to better understand the complexities of water allocation for agriculture, resilience to climate change, and the role of a diverse pool of water stakeholders in California. So how can California respond to this challenge? Adaptive water management and infrastructure are needed to respond to the increased variability of climate patterns. Flood-managed aquifer recharge, or FLODMAR, is a remarkable example of the kind of development needed in this area. FLODMAR is an integrated and voluntary resource management strategy that uses excessive floodwater from rainfall or snowmelt on agricultural lands and working landscapes, including, but not limited to, refuge, floodplains, and flood bypasses. It holds tremendous promises, but significant barriers remain for successful implementation. For instance, delta conveyance could allow more water to flow south of the delta in average and below average years, but the cost of this adaptation may be prohibitive for agricultural users. In general, agricultural water users that have multiple sources of water, like groundwater, local surface water, and imported surface water, are likely to fare much better in the future, being able to shift and store water supplies. Groundwater-dependent agricultural water users will be the most vulnerable. What resources do communities and individuals have to understand the complexities of water availability and its distribution in California? The San Francisco Public Utilities Commission supports programs like One Water SF, which is a framework for making optimal use of the City of San Francisco's water resources. In addition, the team offers regular presentations and educational experiences about their system and operations. The Department of Water Resources makes important efforts to share with the public the importance of the state water project. Similarly, the department makes efforts to share with local agencies and the general public the way in which existing and future climate change impacts will define water deliveries so that planning can be facilitated. Finally, we ask, how can equity be promoted in the allocation of California's water? The experts believe that the complexities of existing water rights and contractual obligations in California are still not fully understood. There are many ways one can envision reallocating water to promote equity, but moving towards those solutions in reality is very difficult due to these complexities. Researchers in the scientific and academic communities must remain engaged with water managers to cultivate understanding of their interests and needs from all parties.
COEQWAL is combining modeling with different water policy scenarios with the knowledge and experiences of different communities in California. This unique insight in the intersection of science and society can help us understand the present and future of water in the state. Together, we can explore, design, and implement new possibilities for water management in California.